this moment, I would like to introduce to you our family members so that we can get to know each other better.
Wow! Ganda, ganda. Alright, may
So our
tinago mo dali.
family started with the love of our Lolo Anoy and Lola Flor. Si Lolo Anoy ay isang mangingisda and then Lola Flor is nagtitinda ng kakanin. So because of the love, they had a 12 kids. Wow, good ba? 12. The first child will be Angelita. Angelita or si Auntie Nene, the wife of Uncle Boy. Second is si Uncle Brendo. Third is si Carlos. Auntie Helen.
Apilon.